In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Power Automate. If you're looking to save time and streamline your workflow in Power Automate, mastering the art of copying and pasting actions can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can efficiently duplicate tasks or move them around as needed. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Pad Designer. This is where you'll be building and managing your flow. Once you're in the designer, you'll need to decide which actions or steps you want to copy. These could be any actions that you've set up previously and would like to reuse in a different section of your flow. Simply click to select one or more actions that you plan to copy. You can select multiple actions by holding down the Control key and clicking each action you want to include. Once you have your desired action selected, you'll use the familiar method of copying. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the selected actions. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, you can right-click on your selection and choose Copy from the context menu. This operation stores the actions in your clipboard, where they'll be ready for pasting whenever you need them. Next, you'll need to navigate to the spot in your flow where you'd like to insert the copied actions. It could be at a different point in the same flow or a completely new flow within your project. There's flexibility here, so choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Pasting the copied actions is just as straightforward. Again, you have two easy options. You can hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the actions directly where your cursor is located in your flow. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with mouse navigation, you can right-click at the desired spot and select Paste from the menu. This action will insert the copied steps into your flow, maintaining their original configuration. It's crucial to remember that after pasting, you might need to check and update any variables or parameters included in these actions. This is an important step because the copied actions might not function correctly in the new context without adjustment. Take a few moments to review each setting or variable associated with the pasted actions, ensuring they're tailored to fit seamlessly into the new segment of your flow. And just like that, you've successfully copied and pasted actions in Power Automate. With this knowledge, you'll be able to recreate and reposition tasks effortlessly, allowing you to enhance your productivity and create more dynamic, effective, automated workflows. Whether you're duplicating steps to save time or rearranging sequences for better organization, copying and pasting actions is a fundamental skill for anyone using Power Automate. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.